Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see service restrictions for direct firing, ASME Section 8, Division 1, Subsection B, UW-2. We have all these courses available on our Thinkific platform. To learn more about these courses, register with the link given in the description.
Now let us start with the UW-2 structure. Okay, how it is structured. See, we are reading a chapter which is mostly we ignore as a static equipment design. Okay, so it's very important to be little patient with that. Okay, and there will be some figures and photos coming which to make you more interested and glued to the PPT. But welding related clauses as a static we most of the time ignore. So please be really attentive to hear what we are going to share. Okay, so UW2, what is covered? So clause UW2A talks about lethal service. We'll talk about that. UW2C talks about unfired steam boilers, okay, where the design pressure is exceeding 50 psi. Then UW2D, which talks about pressure vessels having direct firing, okay, which is very similar to section 1. Okay, great. Now the third part, which is direct firing. Okay, if we are designing a vessel where direct firing is there, then same thing, category A, type number 1, category B, type number 1 or 2. For carbon steel, where the thickness is more than 16 mm and the material is P number 1, then PWHT shall be performed. So if you remember, what is normal thickness limit for carbon steel? Like P number 1 material, if we use, if it is none of the critical requirements, right? Himanshu has already posted 38. Whether it is 38, it can't be 32. Yes, I mean, it's absolutely right. 32 if no preheat. Okay, if we are doing preheating, then we can extend it up to 38. Beyond that, it becomes mandatory. But if it is direct firing vessel which we are designing, in that case, if it is more than 16 mm, we have to do post-well heat treatment. Okay. Now, low alloy steel, PWHT becomes mandatory because low alloy steel generally require critical. They are critical in welding, so require post-well heat treatment. Most of the time. So in direct firing also, direct firing pressure vessels, it is mandatory to have post-well heat treatment. Okay, I hope you got the a crisp of what we wanted to discuss about UW2. Okay,
I hope you understood this part. Stay tuned for more videos related to welding requirements.